Thank you and welcome back into this episode of Tyche product. It's going to be a very short one because I'm going just to tell you how you can be able to schedule with Tyche. Of course, the time already you know how to do that, and also how to set your alarm. So let's dive straight into talking with Tyche. Wake up.
Okay, I am now awake.
What time is it in Seoul?
It is 4:07 p.m. in Seoul.
What is in my schedule?
I don't know. Can you tell me more about it?
I will pick up the laundry at 8 p.m. today.
I'll remind you 10 minutes before you pick up the laundry. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay.
I will meet my friends at 6 p.m. today.
I'll remind you 10 minutes before you meet your friends. Is it okay?
Yes.
I'll set 10 minutes before the event as the default reminder time. Is it okay?
Set alarm at 5:30.
The alarm set at 5:30.
What is on my calendar for today?
You are supposed to meet your friends today at 6 o'clock p.m. And you are supposed to pick up your laundry today at 8 o'clock p.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And that is how you can be able to schedule ask time and also set alarm. So see you in the next episode, which is also going to be very sharp. Thank you very much.